Now, as a final step to this project, let's revise the previous template we created, the InterDesign template, and add some of the elements we created recently in terms of the multi-line text, the dimension style, and the block we recently created. Okay, so let's start by making a new file. File, new. And for the template, we're going to return to the previously created template from week 7 called InterDesign DWT. As you can see, I've navigated to my week 7 folder. There is the DWT file we recently created. I will select that, hit open, and this is that template currently activated on the screen here. Now let's use Design Center and copy information from a previous project into this current project. So in assignment 11, we've created multiple, we've made a block and we made multiple styles of text. So I'm going to use Design Center. Simply type, I believe DC is the shortcut. And I will navigate to our week 11 folder and open up our recently saved project called assignment 11. And in that assignment, under dimension styles, we have a dimension style called InterDesign. I'm going to add that style to this template. Simply click and drag on it and drop it off. That's all you need to do. Let's see what else we're going to take here. We're going to go to blocks, and actually not blocks. Let's hang on a second. Let's go to multi-leaders. Grab the label multi-leader and drag it and drop it off. It won't appear, but it's now part of this file by doing this work. Let's go to text styles. Let's grab notes and hold shift and grab title block, control actually. Notes and title block styles, add them to this project. Click and drag them, drop them off. Next, let's go to blocks. And here is a plethora of different blocks that were used to create that previous assignment. So to add a block, for example, this one here called view symbol, into this file without having to drag and drop it and see it in the scene, in which case you'd have to drop it off and then erase it. Otherwise, it'll be visible in your file. The easiest way to insert this into your project is to double click on it here and simply cancel. And by double clicking on it with the left of your mouse button, it'll insert it into your project, but it won't be visibly available in the scene. So cancel, by double click cancel, we'll place it into this project here. And that's all you have to do. Now, to confirm that you actually received that block into this design template, you can type I for insert, and this button gives you all the recent blocks that were used in prior projects most recently. But in terms of your current file, your current drawing, it's this one here called current directory. And so again, if you type DC and you double click on this symbol here and hit cancel, it'll appear in your project here, but it won't appear on the screen. So it's waiting in your block library to be deployed in your template now, right there. I'm going to close that. And with that being said, I will resave the template, the exact same name, and close out this file. And we're done with this exercise. Thank you.